Another cool feature I'll show off real quick about this system is some discovery things that we can do here. We can look in this system, and one thing I was looking at earlier, I saw some different users. If we go into Data Explorer and we wanted to just learn more about this system, we could just click on this button right here to see all the joins in the database, and we could just kind of collapse this data or collapse our view if we wanted to get just a high level view of what's going on. And we see it's a really small database, really small application, but we can easily see the relationships in the application, right? We see the columns, other tables, right? And that's a pretty cool feature. Let's say that we wanted to I thought we had a user table, but I guess not. But what I did want to do, I thought I saw something in a note actually. So if we go to notes, I saw some fishy behavior in notes. I saw a suspicious user. Let's find any user that's not me, right? So let's filter on user name is not equal to me, right? So we have AAA, and again, so now we want to do some data cleanup, right? So now I shift into, I'm a developer, I'm finding garbage users, right, in this system, right? So, so I can just go ahead and immediately just go ahead and save this as a view of garbage users, right? So, and this query lives forever. Oh, actually it's already filtered. Let's just save the view, and we'll say the view is a developer. I'm in the context of a developer. And let's say that I want to call this dirty users, right? So now I'll go to the application. Okay, so let's go to the application database, and that's on our AWS instance, right? Nope, that's our Azure. That's on our Azure instance. So let's go to our Azure instance, right? So let's go to our Azure instance, and on our Azure instance, let's go to databases. Here's this application database. We're going to go to notes. So we'll just do it the old-fashioned way, right? We'll just go into notes. Okay. I'll edit, right? And I'll just go down here, and I'll say the subject is going to be bad actor, right? Because I shouldn't be, adding stuff, bad actor. I'm a developer trying to shortcut solving a ticket, and I should use the UI, but trying to be slick and making the change directly in the DB, which is against our developer rules, right? And then the entry date is going to be today, 2024, 0515, and the user is, I'll just say, Mr. Developer, right? And I'll just hit tab off that, and then immediately, right, we save this view. A few things just happened, right? We go back into our audit system because we are one of these roles, right? Every developer doesn't have access to this, right? So we're in maybe we're a compliance officer, right? Who knows what our role is? But anyway, we're interested in, let's say I may put an alert on this on that save filter, right? So on that save filter that I have, I want to know about users who are added to this database who aren't in this set, right? At all, right? Any user activity. So let me go back over here to my dirty users and let me see what's going on. Previously, I only had 2 users. Now I got 3 users. Hold up. I shouldn't have anything. I shouldn't have anything in this table, right? Immediately, I get an alert. I get a notification on my hip. I'm a compliance officer. I'm a CISO, right? I'm in the cyber somewhere, right? And these kind of anomalies will put us ahead of the game to bad actors and such, right? So I just wanted to go ahead and spend these 19 minutes with you all and share with you some nice keys that I find that you all may see as interesting, and you all may be able to leverage